Hi everybody, it's Melanie with Lost and Found. Let's see, let me zoom out a little bit more here. How is everybody doing today? If you are joining in with us live, I would love to hear where you're watching from. I am in Texas. It is another kind of cloudy day here today. I really miss seeing the sun. Usually it's sunny in Texas, so I don't know where our sun has gone. But I am working on this piece of furniture today. It's a French Provincial piece of furniture, and I'm actually working on it in the middle of my living room. You maybe can tell that. Why am I working on it in my living room? Well, while I'm working on it, I'm actually filming a how-to video for a way how to make over these French Provincial pieces in a way that they look really spectacular. So that's something that's going to be coming soon. That's going to be available, and I'm going to have that, and a few other videos are planned, so I'm excited about that, so tune in. But one of the things that I'm doing on this piece is I'm doing a technique called dry brushing, and I thought while I was working on it, I might as well invite you guys to come in and to watch. So dry brushing is not a hard thing to do. In fact, it's a really, really easy thing to do. And I enjoy it because I call it messy painting. You're not trying to get nice clean lines and watch out for brush strokes. You're just kind of playing with the paint. And dry brushing is a really easy way to add a lot of depth to your painted finish. I think adding depth to your painted finish is one of the ways that you can really make your piece stand out, make your pieces look more elegant, make them look more unique. Especially if you're working with older pieces, you want them to have that depth to the finish. So I see some of you are joining in with us live. I would love it if you could say hi or leave a comment so I can know that you're there. Maybe tell us where you're watching from today. So, all right, I'm going to clip you onto the tripod here so you can watch now. Now it says everybody's gone. I hope this is working today. I hope I'm broadcasting okay. If I am, give me a little thumbs up or something so that I know everybody is there. But I'm going to turn the phone around and I'm going to clip you onto the tripod so you can watch the dry. Well, before I do that, I'm going to show you something else, okay? All right, I want to show you just kind of the basic elements of dry brushing. Let's go this way. Moves. Turn you here. There we are. Here's the tripod. Okay, for dry brushing, here's what you need. You need a teeny tiny bit of paint. Look, this is like the last bit of paint that I have in this jar. And you need a paper towel, or lots of them, okay? Dry brushing is a great way to use up your last bit of paint. You know, work smarter, not harder. Make every dollar that you spend go for you. So don't throw it out. Keep it to dry brush with. All you need is a tiny bit of paint. So here's what you do. I've got a small artist brush here because I'm working on a small area. I'm gonna dab it in my paint. And then you're going to dab onto your paper towel, and you're going to dab until you think there's no more paint on your brush, and then you're going to dab some more. Okay, that is really the key to dry brushing, is you really want that brush dry. So you can always add more paint. Oh, there's a thumbs up. Hi, I'm glad somebody's here. You can always add more paint, but you can't take paint off once you get it on. So you're going to dab. All right, now let me get you guys up here. Let me get you clicked on. Hang with me. I know it's kind of wonky for a second. Okay, so here's the piece. Here is part that I've already dry brushed. You can see, and then we're going to be working on this. This is taped off with some frog tape right here. Hi, Roxanne. Thanks for saying hi. So glad to know that someone is there today, that Facebook is working. Sometimes it doesn't want to work. So here's the part where we're going to be dry brushing, okay? So I just showed you how to get the brush, how to get the paint on your brush. I'm gonna come this way so I don't block the sun. All right, and then you're gonna take your brush and you're just gonna go back and forth. Start out kind of lightly to test out how much paint is really on your brush, and then you can kind of push it in there. Hi, Miranda. Thank you for joining in today. I would love to hear where some of you guys are watching from. If you wanna leave that in the comments, that would be so fun. Okay, so you see it's just adding just the tiniest bit there. All right, I'm going to put a little bit more paint on my brush and dab. So you can see, put this down. I'm going to dab it off, dab. Roxanne says she's love dry brushing. Hi, Carla, you're in Dallas. Well, hey, I'm up in Allen. So come visit me sometime. And Jeanette is from Washington. Fantastic. Okay, then we're just going to keep going. Okay, now don't freak out if you get too much on your brush. Just wet it. Sometimes I even just kind of lick my finger and rub off some of the extra paint, and then go back and add some more. Okay. Add a little bit more to my brush. Pennsylvania. Miranda's in Pennsylvania. Roxanne is here in Texas. Lockney. No, I don't know where Lockney is. I am not originally from Texas, so you may have to help educate me. Texas is so stinking big too. It's hard to know. It's hard to know all these little towns around here. But hi, Cindy. Cindy's here. Everybody say hello to Cindy. She's one of my fellow Fusion merchants. Okay, so you guys see how easy that is? It's really, again, what I call messy painting. So easy, so messy. I'm gonna unclip you. Oh, near Lubbock and Amarillo. Okay, fantastic, thanks. This is kind of dark over here, but so here is the strip on the other side. Sorry, let me get out of, I'm in the way of the sun. Okay, here's the strip on the other side that I dry brushed. I've already pulled the tape off from it. And so you see how it's just adding a little bit of extra color to that strip of gray. And then I dry brushed here around the top. Okay, so let's check around here. All right, guys, so really that's it. It's that simple. Dry brushing, a great way to kind of get that Restoration Hardware look. Hi, Lori. Thank you. Thanks for coming in today. Yeah, dry brushing, again, easy way to use the last bit of your paint, easy way to kind of create that Restoration Hardware look. You want to layer on even some metallic on there, maybe a little bit of silver. You want to layer the gray and the white, and that's going to give you that really weathered finish. And it's so easy to do. Again, the key is take all of that paint off your brush, all of it, all of it, all of it. Dab it on your paper towel and then dab some more. Okay, so, and again, stay tuned for a video that's going to be released, hopefully probably after Christmas, because we all know it's a little crazy right now, right? It's kind of crazy town. So hopefully after Christmas, I will have a full how-to video on this dresser. And my plan is to have 2 other videos that show 2 different styles of pieces, a modern style piece and a layered metallic piece. And those videos are going to be available for purchase on my website. I've had a lot of people asking me for products like that. And so my husband, he finally talked me into doing some videos. So this dresser is going to be one of them, but I'll give you guys a little sneak peek today. So thanks so much for everybody who tuned in. Again, I'm Melanie with Lost and Found. lostandfounddecor.com is my website. If you found this video helpful, I would so love it if you hit that little share button and pass it on to your friends. That's a great way to share the love. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to go keep working on this piece, and I hope everybody out there has a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.